At Elite Builder for You, we believe that a home is only as strong as its foundation and as secure as its roof. Welcome back to the Florence Road Project, where we bring top-tier craftsmanship and high-quality materials to every phase of construction. In our last episode, we completed the framing process, establishing the structure of this dream home. Now, it's time to take the next crucial step, installing a durable, weather-resistant, and energy-efficient roof to protect this home for years to come. A roof does much more than cover a home. It acts as the first line of defense against the elements, enhances energy efficiency, and contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of the property. That's why at Elite Builder for YID, we use only top-grade materials and precision installation techniques to ensure that every roof we build meets the highest standards of durability and performance. Let's break down the roofing process step by step and show you exactly what goes into creating a strong, long-lasting roof. The first step in the roofing process is installing the trusses and sheathing. The trusses act as the skeleton of the roof, providing structure and support, while the sheathing, typically plywood or OSB, creates a solid base for the next layers of protection. Once the structure is in place, we apply a waterproof underlayment, a critical barrier that protects the home from moisture infiltration. This ensures that rain, snow, and humidity don't compromise the integrity of the structure. Proper ventilation is key to preventing heat buildup and moisture retention, which can lead to mold and structural damage over time. That's why we strategically place ridge vents, soffit vents, and flashing to regulate airflow and protect vulnerable areas such as chimneys and valleys. Finally, we install premium asphalt shingles, chosen for their weather resistance, durability, and energy efficiency. These shingles are designed to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring that the Florence Road home remains protected for decades to come. At Elite Builder for You, we don't cut corners when it comes to quality. Every roof we install is built with precision, expertise, and the best materials available. Our attention to detail ensures maximum durability, insulation, and long-term protection for your home. The Florence Road home is now fully protected, marking a major milestone in the construction process. But we're not stopping here. Next, we move on to windows, doors, and exterior finishes to bring this home even closer to completion. The Florence Road Project is coming together, but there's still more to come. In our next episode, we'll install energy-efficient windows, stylish doors, and stunning exterior finishes to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. If you're planning to build your dream home, Elite Builder for You is here to make it happen. Contact us today to get started on a home that's built with quality, expertise, and care.